almost gave like 15 interviews. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this will be a quick and short video. I'm gonna reply to each and every comment, and after that I'm gonna talk about my placement video. So let's get started. So first comment is regarding the do college have direct admission? So yes, they have the direct admission. You can give their entrance exam, and through that entrance exam you can roll on to the MBA program. Second one is they only take admissions through the management quota. This is not true, guys. You have to do the walk-in in the college. You have to keep following up. Like you have to keep asking them that I'm interested for the MBA. I want to take admission. Everything they will suggest you. We're gonna consider that application if you have the decent score, if you have the decent knowledge, if you have the decent grades. You're gonna take it. This is you just have to inquire properly and they will guide. Uniform is mandatory. So yes, uniform is mandatory, but only for the 2 days. Like I think Monday or Friday something. This is their day. For the rest of the day, you're supposed to wear the formals, and formals means like trouser, shirt, and everything. But denims are not allowed, and sleeveless dresses are not allowed. What are the timings for MBA? So during our time, it was like around 8 to 4. And then our batch got shifted to around like 3 to 6 because first year and second year student batches got jumbled, so they kept one batch for like almost like 7 to 1 for the first year students and 2 to 6 for the second year students. So these will be the two timings, I guess. 7 to 1 for the first year and 2 to 6 for the second year. This I think currently also they are following this time schedule. Is there any specific exam? I have already given MAT exam, so this will be okay. Yes, MAT exam will be okay, and if you want to give a specific MIT exam, that is also okay. But I suggest you to go for the CAT and MBET CAT, since this will give you a lot of opportunities for the other colleges also, and as well as this college also. So yes, if you are giving MAT exam, don't worry, they will take your score. Is hostel facility best? Is it clean and good environment? So yes, they have the hostel facility, but hostel is in Ambegaon, not near the MRT college. So you have the bus facility. So they will pick up you from the hostel to the MRT campus, to the MRT, and then they will drop you again at the hostel. The hostel is very far away from the college. But still, you have to opt for the hostel. You can opt. The hostel is good. It's in the clean condition. I have heard a lot of good reviews about that, but little bit expensive. What's the entrance exam? Yes, please do check out this video for the entrance exam and other admission related processes. Please provide MIT email of Chanakya Bill. You have to Google it. On the Google type MIT WPU MBA, and you will get all the helpline numbers. And with that, you will get the calling numbers and related emails also, so you can check that. And if possible, please visit MIT physically. That will solve a lot of your doubts. Are you doing MBA in business analytics? Yes, I did my MBA in finance and business analytics. These two were my specialization. I'm a dual specialization student and passed out from 2024. So this was a quick and short video about the comments, and I know you guys are very much excited about the placement video. I got placed from the MIT itself, but I used to do sales. I worked almost for like 1 year in that company, and currently I'm planning to switch from that company to the other company. And currently I'm trying a lot of different things, means different interviews. Currently I'm researching about the market, also how the recent market is, so I'm not getting that time to make the video, but soon I will make the video. The video is gonna be all about the placements, current market situation, how the experience matter, and if you have any more queries, then do let me know in the comments. Then see. Thank you so much. Bye.